Okay, so we're currently heading down to LifeLine, who make the fire extinguishers for caterhams and quite a lot of other race cars. They specialise in doing the plumbing and fire extinguisher systems for motorsport. So my extinguisher is currently out of date and needs to be serviced. That's not a problem for UK race circuits, however it is a problem for Europe. So in order to be eligible and to pass scrutineering, I need to basically get the bottle serviced. So I'm heading now over to LifeLine, as I just said.
Take the second exit.
And for £33, once they've checked over the condition of the fire extinguisher to make sure there's no dents, no cracks, no other imperfections on the bottle to prevent it from holding pressure, they'll then be able to service it for £33. Alternatively, if they deem it not to be safe and that it has cracks in it or dents or anything like that, which it doesn't, then I'll have to buy a whole new extinguisher. So hopefully that's not the case, but to me it looks perfectly fine, so hopefully it should be okay. Okay, so we're here at LifeLine Fire and Safety Systems, and we're here to drop off my bottle to get it serviced. And Alec's here, and he's going to give us a little bit of a description of what kind of services you can get here at LifeLine, and a little bit of history about the business.
Yeah, so we're LifeLine, based in sunny Coventry. We make fire suppression systems for motorsport and military applications. We started around 1994 in its current guise. It was run previously by a Mormon family on the Isle of Wight until Jim, the current MD, bought it in 1994, and since then we've just grown and grown and grown, and we supply across the world. We've got dealerships in every corner, from China, Dubai, a large one in America, and yeah, that's us.
One week later.
Okay, so you find me obviously 1 week later, as you've just seen, now heading back to collect the extinguisher. So what they should have done, I believe, is I think they drain the tank, they check it for any damage, they'll then refill it to the correct pressure, making sure it's holding pressure, all of that good stuff. And then I'm obviously here to go and collect it. So yeah, let's see if Alec can talk us through the process if he's around. If not, then we'll pick up the extinguisher. Okay, so that's the extinguisher picked up. Unfortunately, Alec wasn't there to be able to give us a talk through on what was actually done to the extinguisher, but it's all serviced now. It's got the stamp on it, which is good, which means it'll then be legal to race with when we go to Zandvoort, which is excellent news. So head home now, fit it, and then we are good for Donington Park, which is on Saturday and Sunday. I'll be there tomorrow on Friday the 2nd of June to do an evening test stroke track day, and then obviously I'll be racing Saturday, and then Sunday it'll be a 4-hour endurance race which I'm doing with a few friends in a team, which means I'll be on track for a total of an hour. We'll have to come in the pit lane, do pit lane speed limit, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, great weekend ahead.